So today we're at Raven Wolf Brewing Co. and we are interviewing, well, I'll let her introduce herself. Who are you and what do you do?
Hi, I'm Jan Gillett, and I'm half of Randall and Jan Gillett, who own Raven Wolf Brewing, and we are a locally owned microbrewery and tap room. So we create finely crafted craft beers and yummy snacks.
And what is your favorite thing about what you do?
My favorite thing about what we do is how we help people connect in the community and how we're able to give back in the community as well.
Awesome. And can you tell us a good joke?
There is a minister, a priest, and a rabbit who walked into a bar. The rabbit looked around and said, "Hey, I think I'm a typo."
Thank you for that.